Alright, so this is the unboxing of the Bowie Brain Kit by Beck.
This beautiful, beautiful design. We've got the packing list.
Cool.
Prepared by you.
Oh gosh, yep.
Components. 16 gig micro SD card.
Ta-da! Cables!
Yeah.
It's a box within a box.
Within a box. Amazing. That was very neatly done.
Okay, great. And so I guess now the soldering begins. Woo! Alright, circuit board soldering station will be flipped on.
Alright.
Yes!
Ready.
And here it goes. We'll soon have a Bowie brain for Beck. Woohoo! Alright, progress on the Bowie brain kit. How's it going so far?
So far we're putting in the resistors.
Well, yeah, step number, what, 1 or something.
Step
so
number
we've got
1.
our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, and then I'm just going to put in our 10.
Cool.
We had a question. Does it matter which way the resistors go?
Nope, not the resistors.
Didn't think so, but wanted to check.
That will be something to note on the instructions. Cool.
I got it in my notes down there.
Nice. Alright, so work is still in progress. Beck is soldering some headers. Very nice. Brenda is going to be soldering the RTC battery,
Coin
cell battery.
holder.
Don't melt your
Okay.
F's like I did.
There's the instructions. Alright, cool.
I've gotten to, just wrote it down, section 5, step 20. Done.
Wonderful.
Two sets of the F headers. They're in there.
Nice.
The last 2 things.
It's looking good. It's becoming assembled, a Bowie brain. It's been 5 hours. What do you think?
It's been awesome. It's been super cool when you do this.
Nice.
And I did manage to melt everything. That guy. That one. It's fine. It still plugs in.
Awesome. Awesome work. It's coming together. There's that LED. Favorite LED.
Most adorable LED. Delightful.
Brenda, how's yours coming along?
Oh, I made a little mistake. And I made a problem with these guys, and when Aaron tried to fix it, it didn't come out very well, so we're going to have to give up on these guys. And
That's alright. We'll come up with a different solution.
right. But apart from that, coming along okay.
Amazing.
Ooh, it's still, oh yeah, because I haven't. Well, I did solder that on. Yeah, that's done. So I
Great. Yeah, it looks like a brain. Or a partial brain. These 2 brains are coming along.
So I'm most of the way through part 5.
Cool.
The coin cell holder in. And next I'm working on the F headers.
Nice. Awesome. Well, awesome work to both of the beta testers. That's fantastic.
It's a lot of fun.
That's great. Thanks for your hard work.
Thank you.